Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an exceptional property with a phenomenal view overlooking St. Anne's Bay and Drax to the ocean. It was built in 2011 and sits on 5.74 acres of land. It comes with 5 large bedrooms, all with en-suites, 2 on the upper floor, large open concept kitchen, open living and dining rooms, fully grilled and wraparound veranda, 35,000 gallon water tank with pump and filtration system. Some other features include well-fruited lot, very cool, serene and private spot, large double attached garage, easy access to Moneague and north-south toll highway, plus a short drive to St. Anne's Bay and Drax on the north coast. Please make an offer today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 450,000 or Jamaican $71 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.